How to fix Windows 11 laptop overheating problem. Hey everybody and welcome back. If your laptop is overheating, it can slow the Windows 11 and cause sudden shutdowns and damage the hardware over time. So if we do not fix it early, performance and battery life suffer. So let's fix it step by step. So for that, we can press Control Shift plus ESC. So press Control Shift plus ESC and that should pop off the task manager on your screen. And once you do so, what you can do is you can end the applications using high CPU or GPU. Usually you can look out for them here and you can see the CPU section here and find the one that is using highest. For example, this one right here, and right click on it, select the option for end tasks for those applications and close the task manager. Apart from that, what you can do is you can improve your airflow. So you can place the laptop on a very flat and hard surface, avoid beds or cushions that block the vents, and also use a cooling pad if possible. And apart from that, we can power off the laptop first. So you can look out for the power off option. And once we select the option for shutdown or power off, we can use compressed air to clean the vents of our laptop because dust also builds up, trapping hits. So you can just go over and do so. And apart from that, another step we can do is we can use lower power mode. For that, we need to go to our settings, and within settings, we can go to system. So find system, click on it, and find the option for power and battery and click on it. And once you click on power and battery, what you can do is you can select this power and battery option and make it to balanced or best power efficiency. So you can just go and do so. And if nothing else works, we can do a Windows update. Look out for Windows update within your settings and find it up. And if there is like any kind of update, you can update your Windows to the latest version, and that should also probably work out for you. And that's it. Usually these steps should help keep our Windows laptop very cool and running smoothly. So you can comment out if it worked for you. So we hope this video was helpful, and sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.